Hey there, future millionaires! Ready to dive into the stock market and come out richer than a pirate with a treasure chest? Well, grab your popcorn because today I'm going to spill the beans on 10 stocks that could make you filthy rich in the next 10 years. First up, we have Apple. Yeah, I know, it's not the sexiest pick, but have you seen the lines for new iPhones? People would sell their kidneys for the latest model. And with their constant innovations, Apple's not slowing down anytime soon. Next, Amazon. This isn't just a company, it's a global phenomenon. With their fingers in every pie from e-commerce to cloud computing, Jeff Bezos is practically printing money. Now let's talk about Tesla. Elon Musk's baby is more than just cool cars. Think energy solutions, solar panels, and space travel. If you want a stock that's out of this world, Tesla's your ticket. Microsoft is our next giant. With their dominance in software, gaming, and cloud services, they're like the Swiss Army knife of tech stocks. Plus, they're always adapting to new trends. Who doesn't love a good comeback story? Got a sweet tooth for e-commerce? Alibaba's your go-to. As the Chinese equivalent of Amazon, their growth potential is enormous. Just think of the billions of shoppers they cater to. Moving on to the healthcare sector with Johnson & Johnson. They've been around forever, and their products are in every home. Plus, they're leading the charge in medical advancements. Talk about a healthy investment. Ready for some chip action? Nvidia's your pick in the semiconductor world. From gaming to AI and data centers, they're powering the future. Who knew chips could be so exciting? Let's not forget about fintech, folks. PayPal is revolutionizing how we handle money. With more people shopping online than ever, PayPal's future is looking pretty cash-rich. Now, for some clean energy with NextEra Energy. As the world shifts towards sustainable solutions, NextEra is leading the pack in renewable energy. Green is the new gold, my friends. Last but not least, let's talk about Disney. It's not just Mickey Mouse and theme parks. Think streaming services, movie franchises, and global merchandising. Disney is the gift that keeps on giving. All right, folks, there you have it. 10 stocks that could make you richer than your wildest dreams over the next decade. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Do your research, stay patient, and who knows, you might just find yourself on the Forbes list. Until next time, happy investing.